Hello people, today we will be solving LeetCode daily question number 34, which is find last and first and last position of element in unsorted array. So what the question basically gives us is we'll be given an integer array nums which would be sorted in increasing order, and we have to find the starting and ending position of a given target value. So we'll be given parameters as nums array and an integer target. So let's move, try to understand the question. What the question states, we'll be given an input array and a target. So we have to find the starting, like this position, and the ending position of this uh, uh, of this target. So in this case, it is 3 and 4. By mistake, okay, by mistake, I have copied the wrong test case. Wait a second. And okay, let's copy this. Yeah. So in this test case, as we are given the target 6, but 6 is not present in the array, so we just have to return -1 and -1. Okay. So if we go with the brute force solution, what we can do is we can use simply two for loops for finding the starting index. Like we'll start from I equal to 0 to I less than length of nums, and when we'll find if nums I is equal to target, what we'll do, we'll just let's create an array of size 2. Let's call it a result array of size 2, and what we'll do, we'll just simply do result 0 equal to I, and we'll just simply break. Similarly, we'll initialize a for loop from the backward, like I equal to length of nums -1 to I greater than equal to 0, and when we find if nums I is equal to target, we'll just do result 1 equal to I, and we just break, and at the end we'll just return a result. Okay, so this is the brute force solution for this question. Let's try to code it. And firstly, we'll set the base case, which is we have to return -1 and -1. So let's have two variables. Let's call start equal to -1 and end equal to, okay, let me zoom in a little bit. That should be fine now. Yeah, and okay, start equal to -1, end equal to -1, and similar. Okay, and then we'll initialize a for loop for end I equal to 0, I less than nums dot length, I plus plus. We'll just simply check if nums I is equal to target. We'll do, okay, we'll have to basically yeah, let's put it in the start variable only. Start is equal to I, and then we'll simply break from this loop. Okay, and what we'll do, we'll check if start is not equal is equal to -1. That means that the number does not exist in the array. We'll just simply return and with -1 and -1. Okay, so if this condition does not execute, it means that the array that the element is present in the array, and we'll use the for loop again to check its starting index. We'll start the loop from nums dot length -1 up to I greater than equal to 0 and I minus minus, and what we'll do if nums I is equal to target. We'll do end is equal to I, and we'll just simply do break. Yeah, and here we'll again check. Okay, here we'll just simply return new end start comma end. Okay, I guess this should work. Yeah, this works fine. So we'll just simply, okay, as we can see that the time complexity of this code is not that good, and also, okay, here in the question it is given you must write an algorithm with the O log entire runtime complexity. So as in the question it is also stated that we are given the array is sorted. So we know that in sorted array we can use binary search. So let's go to the okay, let's reset it first and let's go to the binary search code. Okay. So we'll be using a modified binary search in this case. So what we'll be doing, we'll be firstly starting with a while loop. While okay, we'll be first declaring left and right pointers, left equal to 0 and right equal to length of nums minus 1. Okay, so and while left less than equal to right, what we'll be doing, we'll be finding mid, that would be equal to left plus right. Okay, left plus right by 2, and we'll check that if nums of mid is less than target, what we'll do left equal to mid plus 1, and else if nums mid is greater than or equal to target, what we'll do right is equal to mid minus 1, and after this while loop we'll check that if left is less than length of nums, just to check the overflow condition, and nums of left is equal to the target. So what we'll be doing, we'll be just okay, let's have a result array once again, result of size 2. Okay, so what we'll be doing, we'll just be doing result 0 equal to left, and okay, and this would be to find the starting index of the that particular number. Okay, similarly we have to find the ending index, like which will be the last time when that number will be appearing on which index. So we'll again be using a binary search. What we'll do, we'll again do okay, we'll again put the left, we'll again initialize left equal to 0 and right equal to length of nums minus 1. Okay, so we'll again check while left less than equal to right. There would be just a slight modification in finding left, in finding the starting and the ending index, which would be okay, I'll show you left plus right by 2. Okay, let's put it in braces. Yeah, left equal to and then we'll check if nums of mid is less than equal to target. What we'll do, we'll just do left is equal to mid plus 1, and similarly else if nums mid is greater than the target, what we'll do right is equal to mid minus 1. Okay, and after this while loop, we'll check that, just to check the overflow, we'll check if right is less than length of nums. Right is less than length of nums, what we'll do, and nums right is equal to the target. Okay, uh, yeah, we'll be doing result1 equal to right, and at the end we'll just be returning result. Okay, so this would, okay, in these, okay, let me mark, we have, this is for okay, let me do it properly. Okay, and to find the starting index, and okay, let me move this here, and to find the ending index. Okay, these are the two codes. Okay, the basic difference here is, here we are checking if nums of mid is less than target. So let's pick up this test case. Okay, but let's perform a dry run for this. Okay, so in this, the in first iteration, as left is equal to 0 and right is equal to, length of the numbers is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and right would be equal to 5, so mid would be equal to 5 by 2, which is basically 2. Okay, so we'll be checking for nums2, as nums2 this, so this condition will be true as nums mid is less than the target. Okay, nums mid is less than 8, this is true, so we'll move left equal to left plus 1. Okay, so, oh, it's left equal to mid plus 1, sorry, left equal to mid plus 1. So now left will be pointing at, left would be equal to now 0 1 2 3. Okay, now again mid would be calculated. Now mid would be equal to 3 plus 5, 3 plus 5 by 2, that is equal to 4. Okay, so here we'll be checking that nums mid, which is this, is if it is greater than or equal to the target, because if we do that nums 4, basically we'll be getting the value as 4, is not less than target, it is equal to the target. Okay, so this else if condition would be evaluated, so that means that now right would be equal to mid minus 1, so that is 3. Similarly this will mid minus 1, that would be equal to 3. So this is how the whole process will work, and firstly it will be finding, okay, let's complete the try run for this. And now as left is less than equal to right, so what we'll be again doing, we'll be doing left mid would be equal to 3 plus 3 by 2, which will again give me 3. So what we'll check that nums mid nums 3, which would be 0 1 2 3. Yeah, this is not less than the target, this is equal to the target, so again right would be equal to mid minus 1, is not less than target. Okay, I'll just be simply writing not less than the target. So again the else if condition would be evaluated, so again right would be equal to mid minus 1, and here this condition will get false like this one, while left less than equal to right. So what we are getting as left would be equal to 3. So yeah, this is the starting index, and similarly you can also check that 0 1 2 and 3. and in this we are only checking that if left is less than nums mid and nums left is equal to target, this will give us the right answer. Similarly, we can also do it for the ending index. So let's code it, and let's keep the base case ready only, equal to new int -1. This would be our base case. Okay, then we'll do we'll declare two variables. Let's call it left equal to 0 and right equal to nums dot length -1. And what we will be checking, okay, let me comment this out, that for finding the starting index, okay, while left less than equal to right, okay, let me show. Okay, so here right would be equal to mid -1, that would be equal to 2, and so that's why this condition will become false and we'll exit from the while loop. Okay, so yeah, while left less than equal to right, we have to find int mid is would be equal to left plus right minus left by 2. So I am doing this to avoid the overflow condition. You can just simply do left plus right by 2 also, that will also work. So if nums mid is less than the target, what we'll do, we'll just do left equal to mid plus 1, and else if nums mid is greater than or equal to the target, what we'll do right is equal to mid -1. Okay, so yeah, and after this we'll be checking the if condition. If length of if left is less than nums dot length and nums left is equal to the target, what we'll simply do result 0 should be equal to left. Okay, and then we'll be finding the ending boundary to find the ending index. Okay, so we'll again be initializing a while loop. First we'll set left equal to 0 once again and right equal to nums dot length -1, and okay, while left less than equal to right, what we'll be checking, we'll firstly calculating the mid, again left plus right minus left by 2, but then we'll checking if nums mid is less than or equal to the target. What we'll be doing left equal to mid plus 1, and else if nums mid is greater than the target, what we'll be doing right equal to mid -1. Okay, so after this we'll be again checking that if right, okay, if right is less than, okay, right should be greater than equal to 0, and here also yeah, here it should be right should be greater than equal to 0. Sorry for the mistake. Yeah, right should be greater than equal to 0, and nums right is equal to the target. What we'll do, result 1 would be equal to right, and at the end we'll just be simply returning result. Okay, so I guess this should work. Okay, it says, okay, here let's do it in this way. Oh yeah, yeah, this should work. Let's submit it. Yeah, and this works fine. So this was it for today. Thank you for sticking around. And also you can follow me on Instagram. I'm posting reels regularly about Haskell, data science, and pandas. And much more content is over there. So you can follow me. My Instagram handle is Kabir Coding. Thank you for watching.